Hi guys! So for today's itinerary, we are going to Nanyang Garden and Chili Nunnery. So since it's too early pa when we arrive at the station, we went first to Donkey to grab some food. And yeah, here's the entrance of the garden. If you want to go here, you just have to take the MTR Green Line to Diamond Hill Station and exit via C1 or C2. So once you are outside the station, you just have to follow the sign going to the Nanyang Garden. It's only 5-minute walk from the exit. And yeah, if you're a nature lover and a certified plantita or plantita, you will definitely enjoy the place. After exploring the garden, just walk across the bridge and you will find the Chili Nunnery. The place is really peaceful, and when you get inside the nunnery, you will find the temples where you can pray. And in the middle, there's a lotus pond. Yeah, and there's a lot of bonsai everywhere. And if you want to go inside the temple, you just have to walk straight. Yeah, there. And near the temple, there's another lotus pond here, as you can see. And yeah, after going to the nunnery, I went back again in the garden to explore the place more. And yeah, and then while walking, I found this area, and guys, sobrang ganda dito. Ang refreshing tumambay, dagdag pa yung sound effects ng pagbagsak ng tubig. And yeah, may umiikot dito, pero I don't know kung ano yung tawag dyan. So yan, enjoy ko lang yung view. And ayan, nagkakad-lakad lang ulit ako to check kung ano pang meron sa area. And guys, nakita ko tong lake na to, sobrang ganda niya. Masarap mag-emote dito nga, in fairness. Tapos ito guys, para siya yung mga napapanood natin sa historical K-drama o bongga, may pakoy fish pa. And ayun guys, I highly recommend that you visit this place. Sobrang ganda niya, and this place is a proof that you can enjoy peace in the middle of the city. So ayun lang, bye!